To operate Ariston washing machine, make sure that the main switch is on. Press this button right here to turn on. Open the lid, close, open this cover, and load the soap. Twist this knob for the program you want to set. You'll be able to see how long the program is once you have selected it. You can also press these buttons right here. You can set the timer, the spin, and the temperature. Once it's done, press this power button right here, play button right here. Once the timer stops, you can press this main switch and this power button off.